Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to pack a kayak for overnight trips. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Packing a kayak for an overnight trip can be a bit daunting, especially if you've never done it before. But with a little planning and the right gear, you can make it a breeze. Here's what you need to know. First, decide what kind of trip you're taking. Are you camping on shore, paddling to a remote island, hiking in and out of a backcountry campsite? In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, how to pack the kayak. Number 2, useful tips. Number 3, what things you need, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.